Hi. For this video, I'm going to do a little target shooting with my EAA Witness Elite Match. I got 10 rounds of the LAX hollow point, which is, it's pretty good ammo. It's not great ammo, it's good ammo. Anyway, I'm going to be shooting at this big orange rock here, and the rock is probably about 14 inches across near the bottom, little less at the top, as you can see. I got the camera set up. And I'm going to be shooting it at different yardages. Now, this first one, we're at 50 yards. So I'm going to move back to 100, 150, 200, 250, all the way back to 350 or 300. 10 shots each, and we'll see how we do. All right, so for the first 10. Yeah, see that? I heard something hit hard, so maybe I hit it. I think I hit it again. Maybe a little low. Think that was a hit. Think that was a hit. Oh, over the top. That was probably me. That was over the top too. Got it? That was definitely me. All right. Wasn't too bad, but it's a big target, so. All right, we're gonna move back to 100. Okay, so now we're set up at 100 yards. 10 more rounds. It looks a lot smaller from 50. I think I got it. Yeah, it looked like a dirt, but near it. Over and left. Low. Left. Low. Just missed it, but barely it looked like. Low. See, I flinched. And the flies are bugging me. Oh, I got it on last shot too. All right. So not too bad, but now we're gonna go back to 150 and do it again. Okay, we're back at 150 yards, and I'm using a laser rangefinder, of course, to set it up. Got the camera set up, got 10 more shots at the LAX, and it's starting to look really small now. Just off the left side. Might have hit it. I didn't see no dirt fly, but I'm not sure. We'll look on the video. Oh, now that hit way low and left. Might have been a hit too. Low and left. Just left. High and left. Low and left. Right. And low and left. Okay, but not too bad. I think I got 1 or 2 hits on it that time. And I said, well, hopefully see it in the video. All right, we're gonna move back to 200. Okay, now we're back at 200 yards. And I can still see it. You can see those clay pigeons across the top. That's for a different video. It's gonna be pretty rough, but we're gonna try to get it in there. Low. Left. Little high. Left. Way high. Little low. Just under it. Low and left. That was me. I flinched. And low and left. Now, as you can see, of course, the accuracy is starting to fall off greatly, but you would expect that at 200 yards with the pistol and not the best ammo in the world. Good ammo, but not bad. I mean, I think I got 1,000 rounds for $270. So, I mean, that's decent, but it's not top of the line match ammo. All right, next stop is 250 yards. Okay, now we're out at 250 yards, and it's a little tiny target out there. Hopefully, if I hit it, which I don't think I will, but if I hit it, I don't think I'm going to hear it or see it. I might see some of the impacts in the dirt. We're going to have to, mostly I think, go on the camera on this one. So we'll see. Hopefully I'll get in there. High and left. Left. I did not see that one. I did not see that one. Low. Low. Did not see it. Low and right. Low. And low. All right, that was 10. All right, next stop, 300. It's getting more difficult. Okay, so we're back at the 300 yard mark, and that rock is really tiny from here. I'm not sure if I'm going to get close. We'll see. If there is a hit, hopefully that camera picks it up, but I'm not sure from this distance. So we're just going to give it a try. When we get home, we'll go through the video, see what it looks like, put it together, and put it on YouTube. All right, last 10 shots. Gotta figure out how high I gotta aim over the target to arc it over. I go try right there. I did not see the impact. Okay, low, so I'm going to aim a little higher. High. Still high. Little low and to the right. Look like about 2 or 3 feet above it. Oh, that was right next to it. That one went way low. A little low, way right. Yeah, I didn't see that one either. All right, so that's our 10 rounds for the 300 yards. We'll go through the video, see what it looks like. I don't know. Got to try it. Thanks for watching. Bye. A little low, way right. Yeah, I didn't see that one either. All right.